Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the basics. Check your headset and mic at the OS level so World War Z receives clean audio. Once done, open Options, then Audio and switch Voice Chat to On. This enables team chatter. Make sure you select the correct input device and set microphone volume around 75% to 85% so teammates hear you without clipping. If using push-to-talk, bind a comfortable key now. If using open mic, lower ambient noise. This gets you into voice-ready state fast. You now refine in-game settings for clarity and control. Decide push-to-talk versus open mic. Push-to-talk reduces background noise, while open mic is more natural for fast calls. Then set voice range or team-only communication so you don't broadcast to strangers. Assign hotkeys for PTT and verify they don't conflict with movement or action binds. Once configured, join a party and run a short test. Speak, listen, and ask for feedback on volume and latency so you can tweak mic gain or in-game volume. You finish by validating cross-platform voice and resolving common issues. Test communication between PC and console friends to confirm compatibility. If problems persist, update audio drivers, restart the game, and verify microphone permissions and firewall rules. Make sure NAT and party settings allow voice traffic. If nothing changes, toggle voice chat off then on and rejoin the lobby. This refresh often clears routing hiccups. One key troubleshooting tip. If teammates hear static, lower mic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.